I fell into the river and the current was too strong. I thought that was it until I saw a dog. The water pulled me under. I tried to grab something, anything, but I couldn't hold on. That's when I heard barking. A dog watching me, pacing like he knew what to do. Then, before I could even scream, he jumped in. The dog swam straight to me, let me grab onto him, and somehow, he pulled me toward the shore. When I finally hit the shore, I was shaking. I turned to thank the dog, but he just stood there staring. The dog didn't wait for praise, he didn't wait for food, he just saved me and left. So yeah, I never saw him again, but I know he was meant to be there. Follow for more, because have you ever been saved by something you never expected?